You've seen it on Facebook, perhaps. It's called the Secret Sister Gift Exchange. It sounds like a fun holiday idea, and you might actually get some gifts.
But it's illegal. Action 9 investigator Jason Stujenki has a warning that could save you money, protect your personal information, even prevent legal trouble.
Well, this topic certainly hits close to home. A producer we used to work with saw it on Facebook and thought about taking part. Fortunately, someone stopped her and she sent us the post so I could warn you.
The post looks like this. The Secret Sister Gift Exchange. Buy one gift, at least $10. Send it to your secret sis, and you'll get 6 to 36 gifts in return.
One of my friends posted it, and somebody else posted underneath there, "This is a scam, don't do this."
Good advice. There's no guarantee you'll get anything. In fact, chances are you won't. You'll probably give up personal information in the process. Look what U.S. postal inspectors posted on Facebook. It's a pyramid scheme. The odds are likely greater that Santa Claus himself would fly his sleigh into the middle of Times Square to personally distribute the gifts.
How low?
Yeah, it drives me crazy. Makes
Nothing
me
worse
want
than
to.
a thief. It's the lowest form of humanity there is.
Even worse, it's illegal. It sounds unlikely, but taking part could land you in prison for violating lottery laws. Up to 2 years behind bars.
I had friends that requested me.
Really? And what happened?
I said no thank you.
Here's how the scam works, or says it works. 6 people each invite 6 others to take part, and they each invite 6 others. And all those gifts go to the first secret sister, then the second, and so forth.
Anything that says copy and paste this and forward it to somebody is not going to happen.
Not in your house.
Not in my house, no. Not on my page.
So ignore it. In fact, go ahead and avoid any what are called chain letter scams. And if you saw it on Facebook, report it to Facebook. In the newsroom, Jason Stujenki, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.